Welcome back to Wealth Wisdom 101, your ultimate destination for financial education and wealth building strategies. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 ways to make money online without a website. That's right, no website needed. So, if you're ready to unlock your earning potential, let's dive right in. 1. Affiliate marketing. First up on our list is affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, sign up for popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Then, promote your affiliate links through social media, email marketing, or even YouTube videos. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to provide genuine value and build trust with your audience. Let's dive deeper into some strategies. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Create high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and always disclose your affiliate links. 2. Online surveys and market research. Next, we have online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions, and they're willing to pay for it. By participating in online surveys and market research studies, you can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Some popular platforms to check out include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research. Just make sure to sign up for multiple platforms to maximize your earning opportunities. Here are some tips to make the most out of online surveys. Set up a dedicated email account for survey invitations to avoid cluttering your primary inbox. Be honest and consistent in your responses to ensure the quality of the data collected. Prioritize surveys with higher payouts and shorter completion times to maximize your earnings. 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is another excellent way to make money online without a website. If you have a skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services to clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. The key to success in freelancing is to build a strong portfolio and consistently deliver high-quality work. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you'll be able to charge higher rates and attract more clients. Here's how to stand out as a freelancer. Create a compelling profile that showcases your skills, experience, and portfolio. Be proactive in applying for jobs and sending proposals to potential clients. Communicate effectively with clients and always meet deadlines. 4. Online tutoring and teaching. Are you an expert in a particular subject or skill? Why not share your knowledge and make money online through online tutoring or teaching? Platforms like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to create and sell online courses or offer one-on-one tutoring sessions. This is a great way to earn money while helping others learn and grow. To succeed in online tutoring and teaching, consider these tips. Identify your target audience and tailor your content to their needs and learning styles. Use engaging teaching methods, such as videos, quizzes, and interactive exercises. Promote your courses or tutoring services on social media and through your personal network. 5. Selling digital products. Finally, we have selling digital products. This can include ebooks, printables, stock photos, or even digital art. You can sell your digital products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. The best part about selling digital products is that you create them once and can sell them over and over again, generating passive income. Let's explore some strategies to succeed in selling digital products. Identify your target audience and create products that cater to their needs and preferences. Ensure your digital products are of high quality and provide real value to your customers. Optimize your product listings with clear descriptions, eye-catching images, and relevant keywords. Bonus: dropshipping. As a bonus, let's talk about dropshipping. While not entirely without a website, you can still leverage existing platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Shopify to set up your online store. Dropshipping allows you to sell physical products without holding any inventory. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships the products directly to your customers. Here's how to get started with dropshipping. Research and select a profitable niche for your dropshipping business. Find reliable suppliers with high-quality products and competitive prices. Create compelling product listings with detailed descriptions and professional images. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online without a website, plus a bonus method. Remember, the key to success in any online venture is to stay consistent, provide value, and always be willing to learn and adapt. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wealth Wisdom 101 for more financial education and wealth building strategies. Until next time, happy earning.